Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well. So, Caveman's been a good lad. He's been doing some plastering, but he's made a little bit of a mess. So I'm in the process of tidying up, so next time I come to the property, it's more appealing. So I've, been sweeping up, and there's the evidence, say look, okay. And you will notice that on the floor, I've dropped some blobs of plaster basically. This shouldn't be too difficult to get up. So what are my options then? So I can either get on my hands and knees and scrape it off, or else I can be a little bit resourceful and knock something up. So for this little project then, you will need a scraper, piece of timber, doesn't need to be as thick or hefty as this, and some gaffer tape. So I'll reset the camera and get back to you. Can you guess where this is going? Cheers. So ladies and gentlemen, check out that puppy. This actually, I'm very confident, will be a very effective improvised tool. Let's try it out, shall we? And if you really want to maximise your output, you can do it by having a cup of tea. And of course it can also be used for scraping walls.